In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete NFTs from OpenSea. Quick note before we begin, NFTs live on the blockchain, so you can't literally delete them. What you can do, and what most people mean by delete, is remove them from sale on OpenSea by canceling the listing. That's exactly what we'll do together now. Start by opening your browser and heading to OpenSea.io. Make sure you're signed in and your wallet is connected. If you're not, connect the same wallet that holds the NFT you listed. Being on the correct account and network is important so you can see the right items. Once you're on the home page, move your mouse to the profile icon in the top right corner. Hover over it to reveal the menu, then click Profile. This takes you to your personal page where all your collected items and activity live. On your profile, look for the Listings section or tab. Click that to see everything you currently have up for sale. If you don't immediately see the listing you want to remove, scroll or use any filters available to narrow it down. Next, click the specific NFT you want to remove from sale. This opens the item's detail page where you can review the listing price, expiration, and other details. Double check you're on the correct item to avoid canceling the wrong listing. Now, find the Cancel Listing button and click it. OpenSea will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to proceed. Click Confirm to continue. At this point, your connected wallet may pop up asking you to confirm the cancellation. Depending on the network, canceling a listing can require an on-chain transaction and may involve a small gas fee. Review the request, confirm it in your wallet, and wait for the process to complete. After a moment, you should see that the listing has been removed. The item will no longer appear as for sale, and you won't receive offers based on that listing price. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh your browser and check your Listings tab again to verify the change went through. If you don't see the Listings tab or the correct item, make sure you're connected with the wallet that owns the NFT and that you're on the correct network. Also, if you're using a mobile device, the same options are available through the menu. The labels and flow are essentially identical. That's it. You've successfully removed your NFT from sale on OpenSea by canceling its listing. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step while you do it yourself.